I'm here with Apoorv at the Microsoft Startup Showcase. What does TextIQ do?
So we've built a platform, an AI platform that protects enterprises from high-stakes legal and compliance disasters.
I have a fun question for you.
Yeah.
If your company were an animal, what animal would that be?
So the animal would definitely be a lion. And lion is a strong animal that can go out and protect. Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Apoorv Agarwal and I'm the CEO and co-founder of TextIQ. We've built an AI platform that can protect enterprises from high-stakes legal and compliance disasters. Legal and compliance disasters cost the economy billions of dollars every year. Just one day after GDPR came into effect, Google and Facebook are having to defend fines up to $9.3 billion. Earlier last year, Aetna had to pay a fine of $1 billion in a failed merger and acquisition. Massive, massive fines. What are enterprises doing today to avoid these disasters? Believe it or not, they're still using search terms and throwing thousands of human bodies at the problem. JP Morgan alone has hired over 13,000 people since 2012 looking for sensitive information in their data sets. As you can imagine, this is inefficient, it's expensive, but most importantly, this is risky. It's very hard for a human to look at a document pulled out of context and determine whether or not it's sensitive. And here's an example of one such document. This is an email from Mike to Sarah. It says, I had lunch with John. He liked this Reuben sandwich today, and you should get it ASAP. Doesn't seem sensitive. Except as soon as we find out that, hey, out of thousands of John at an organization, this John is John Powell, who's a note taker to a senior board member, who's friends with Mike. And hey, Reuben sandwich is actually a code word for a stock they're trading. Suddenly, this email becomes interesting. We've built a natural language processing and machine learning platform that can ingest all kinds of human communications, emails, text messages, phone logs. Our models analyze how people communicate, what they talk about, what are the kinds of things that interest them, and they're able to understand language. They're able to understand people, their roles within the organization, their personalities. They're able to understand relationships and how all of these things change over time. Given this understanding, we are able to build applications on top of our platform, each for a new kind of sensitive needle. So we are able to help our customers find private information, privacy information, PII, PHI, privileged information, and all kinds of embarrassing content. And the value that our platform can provide is no longer a figment of our imagination. We've proved the value in the market. We worked with a large healthcare provider. They had 2 million documents and about 4 weeks to look for sensitive information in their data set. Had they used their status quo method of search terms and human reviewers, they would have spent 20 weeks. They would have missed a number of sensitive documents, and it would have costed them about $4 million. With our AI-enabled solution, we were able to get the job done in 2 weeks. That's 10 times faster. We were able to find many of the documents they would have missed using search terms, and we were able to save them $3 million on just one matter. And just to give you a sense of how big this pain is for our customers, this was a highly regulated large enterprise. We're a small startup. Even then, they had no other option but to use our technology. We were able to close this deal in 2 weeks. And what's more exciting is that the news went all the way to the board, and they've been sending us their data sets for analysis ever since. These are some of the metrics that we're extremely proud of. Every proof of concept we've done has converted into a paid customer. We're in our 6th profitable quarter. Our revenue targets are aggressive. They double every quarter, and we've been beating every single target so far. We were recently named one of the top AI companies in the world, and we are extremely excited about this partnership with Microsoft. It's a very natural partnership for us. A lot of our customers are either already using Office 365 or are in transition. So along with Microsoft, we're extremely excited to go to market and protect organizations, government agencies, and nations from these high-stakes, massive disasters. Thank you very much.